Hey everyone, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Cabramatta as requested by Alex Ewan, Jimmy Lee, Joshua Stanbury, Henry Lim and Nihal Last. Here we've got A78 departing platform number 1 for a museum via Villawood and Bankstown service. The next Schofield service is running about 8 minutes late. The next train through platform 1 is museum via Granville service. For those who are interested in signals, and all you who know your signals, there's a sign at the Granville end of platform 1 here at Cabramatta that says route indicator signal S19.8, B is via Granville and M via Regent's Park. Okay, I'm not too sure what that means, but any of you who do know, just comment in the comment section and yep. And that's that. There's the 8-car marker and some pointless signs. Here we've got an MZ arriving into platform 2. The front 4 cars is M34. The MZs are just about to depart. The rear half is M24. We've got an S at S61 arriving into platform number 2, Campbelltown service, stopping all stations. Fantastic seeing an S set around still. Seeing they're supposed to be retired, so I heard. But then again, there have been quite a few K-sets running in the sector, so yeah. We have K99 and K92, separate services of course, running the Cumberland line. Righto guys, I'm going to wrap the vlog up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. See you all on the next vlog. Goodbye for now.